In the last video, I shared with you the 3 C's: clarity, context, and conciseness. Now in this video, I want to show you something practical. How to take one simple idea and turn it into multiple outputs. Same idea, different formats, done in minutes. Let's dive in. We're going to use Gemini for this example, and let's say my core idea is this. Beginners struggle with AI because their prompts are too vague. That's it. That's the seed. Here's the mistake most beginners make. They treat AI like a one-shot tool. They ask for one thing, they get one answer, then start over from scratch. You do not need to start over. If you structure your prompt correctly, you can reuse the same idea across platforms. Let me show you. Now I'll apply the 3 C's, create a short YouTube video outline, a LinkedIn post under 200 words, a blog introduction, maybe 2 paragraphs, 5 slide bullets for a presentation, audience, beginners, and the goal, teach them how to improve prompts, tone, simple and practical. Notice what I did. I gave it clarity, clear deliverables, context, audience and goals, conciseness, specific outputs, and no fluff. Now let's look at what that produces. The AI produced a hook, the problem, a solution, and the formula. And it also created a call to action. That's a usable structure. You could record that today. Let's take a look at the LinkedIn post. Now you have a platform-specific output, so it's describing the AI as your highly capable intern. Short, direct. If you wanted to take the LinkedIn post a little bit further, you could give it a little bit more context. Now let's jump over to the blog intro. For a blog, the AI expands slightly. 2 paragraphs, more explanation, still focused. You are not reinventing the message, you are adapting it. And next, now you have presentation-ready bullets. That could become a workshop slide in seconds. The power here is not speed, it's leverage. One clear idea becomes 4 assets. And you did not have to brainstorm 4 times. Do not reset the conversation, continue building on the same thread. That context improves results. The AI will build upon every layer that you provide to it. Start with one clear idea, define your audience and goal, list the exact outputs you want, refine the best one. That's the system. Simple, repeatable, practical. In the next video, I'll show you the most common beginner prompt mistakes. Vague requests, no goal, too many tasks, no constraints. If your AI results feel random, that video will fix it. We'll see you in the next one.